Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use Facebook story effects on a photo from your gallery. First, let's select Create Story. Then you would select the photo from your gallery after it is open. For instance, let me select this photo. Then you would select Effects in the right hand corner, right below Draw. And you can see the effects pop up at the bottom. And from there you can simply browse through. Wow, this one look good. And select the effect that suits you. And if you have found any effect that suits you, you'll simply select Share to Story, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.